Hey everybody, what's up babies? Hey, I got 8 chicks. My chicken has a first name. It's C-H-I-C-K. Yep, they're gonna stay in the greenhouse in this little thing until this cat's falling asleep. You can't fall asleep by yourself. The rest of these guys are wide awake, they're on guard. He's sleeping, or she's sleeping. They gotta stay in this heat land for 2 weeks, so you got plenty of food, plenty of water. They in this big bucket. In the mighty, mighty greenhouse. Hey, you're home away from home. We got some more plants to plant. Some more cabbage, okra, squash, 1 tomato, some peppers. Yep. That's it. Oh, we got a pomegranate tree. Yeah.